grade Shurley method, page 28, part 2. Parts 1 and 2, choose an answer from the choices in parentheses. Then fill in the rest of the columns according to the titles. S or P stands for singular or plural. N/pro means to identify the subject as a noun or a pronoun. Pronoun antecedent agreement. Jane and Jane called their dog. Okay, so what's our pronoun choice? What do we circle? Their. Okay, is that singular or plural? Plural. What's their referring to? Dog is singular. So Jane and Dave. And then Dave and Jane are plural. Okay, because remember your antecedent has to match. Or I mean, your antecedent has to match what pronoun you chose, right? Okay? Because they both either have to be singular or they both have to be plural. Okay, she dropped blank purse and keys. Her, singular or plural? Singular. What's it referring to? She, and she is singular. Anyone may enter blank poem in their contest. It's actually his. Okay? The reason why is because any one. So that refers to only one person. So, like I said, your pronoun choice and your antecedent both have to be either singular or both have to be plural. Okay? So the one part is why it has to be that. Okay? So his, singular, it's referring to what? Anyone. And that is singular. Okay? You guys are going to do 4 and 5 for homework. Okay, number 2, subject-verb agreement. Either of those books is good. So the subject is what? Either, right? It's either. That's why you have to pick is, because either is what? Is singular. Because it's saying between one or the other. So yes, there are 2 books, but they're only referring to one of them, right? Okay, so either. Okay, what is the noun or pronoun? Is it a noun or a pronoun? Pronoun. Okay, and then we said is singular, and then our verb choice was is. 2 chests of coins were in the old ship. So what's our subject? Chest. Noun or pronoun? Noun. Singular or plural? Plural. And then our verb choice was were. The yellow rose is the most beautiful. Okay, so what's the subject? Rose. Noun or pronoun? Noun. Singular or plural? Singular. And then our verb choice was it. You guys are going to do 9 and 10 for homework. Exercise 3. Identify these indefinite pronouns as singular, plural, or either singular or plural. Somebody. Singular. None. You have none of some books. You could have none of one book. So it could be either. Okay. Each. Singular, right? Because each one, like, is individual. Okay? Many. Plural. Everyone. You would think it's plural, but what does it have in it that makes it singular? The one. Okay. So yes, it's probably referring to a group, but they're putting them individually. Okay. Within that group. All right. For sentences 1 through 3, follow the circle again. That shows these sentences combined correctly. Gina baked a cake. Her sons helped her bake a cake. And for sentences 4 through 6, replace each underlined pronoun by writing the correct form in the first blank. Okay, so S or O for subjective or objective case in the second blank. So which ones would we color in the dots for on 1 through 3? 1. And there's one more. Okay. Mom gave a gift to Patty and I. Objective or subjective? Objective. Dana and me typed quickly. I, objective or subjective? Subjective. Listen for we girls to call you. Objective or subjective? This one is actually objective. Okay. I know most of the time objective is usually at the end. Okay, and the subjective is usually at the beginning. Okay, in this case, it's the other way. Okay, we're not going to do exercise 5.